Hi guys, welcome to Mozarella's Kitchen, where I do family-friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a cheese and spinach stuffed chicken breast. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take our baby spinach, give it a good wash, and then we'll pop it onto a chopping board, and we're just going to chop it very finely. Now, as always folks, the recipe and how to make this are in the description box below. Now that we've got it chopped, we're going to add it to a mixing bowl. To the mixing bowl then we're going to add some crushed garlic, some cream cheese, and some mayonnaise. Then we're going to add some grated parmesan and some grated mozzarella. Season that well liberally with salt and pepper, and then give it a good mix round. Now that that's mixed up, we'll just set it to the side and we're going to take our chicken breasts. So take the chicken breasts and just take a knife and slice them through the middle like this, just butterflying them out. Now we're going to take our breasts and we're going to stuff them in the middle with the spinach and cheese mixture. Make sure that you put plenty of mixture in them, and then we're just going to take them, we're going to roll them over, and we're going to hold them together with some cocktail sticks. Now your best thing is to put your cocktail sticks in some water for about 5 or 10 minutes before you use them, just so they don't burn when they're in the oven. 3 to 4 cocktail sticks just on each chicken breast to hold them together. Now again, we'll pop these to the side, we'll wash our hands, and we're going to make a rub. So just take a small bowl and add some garlic granules and some smoked paprika. You can use ordinary paprika if you wish, I just like the flavour of the smoked. Season it with some black pepper and some salt. Give that a mix round. Now we're going to take our chicken breasts and we're going to take our rub and we'll just sprinkle it over the top. Make sure you get plenty on, because it will help flavour the chicken. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share them. It does help the channel. Now we'll take a roasting dish and we'll line it with some greaseproof paper, and then we're going to add our chicken. Just flip the chicken over this time, because you're going to put some more rub on the bottom of it. Now we take our rub and we just sprinkle again on the other side of this. As I said, just make sure you put plenty on. Now we're going to take our chicken over to the oven, preheated 200 degrees centigrade, 180 fan, and we cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until it comes to 75 degrees centigrade. And now our cheesy stuffed chicken with spinach is ready to serve. I've just served mine with toasted focaccia and some grilled asparagus. Now don't forget to remove the cocktail sticks, you don't want any accidents. Folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in my further videos.